What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a quick haul of the things that I got from Iris Beauty. It is a company that recently contacted me. I love reviewing products from up and coming brands because I like being there from the beginning. From when you guys have like 500 followers to 500,000 followers. I want to be there. So I actually really enjoy the products, and even more so I love talking about products that I enjoy. So after I was contacted, I was going through the website and there were so many gorgeous lenses that I really wanted to try out, and they did send me the emerald green ones. So these are the ones that I am wearing, emerald green. I'm really excited. These are prescription. I did get a prescription from when I was in Guyana recently, and I kind of wanted to test them out because I didn't know if I had liked the way that the doctor prescribed them. I wanted to feel a bit stronger. When they contacted me, I was excited because these are a way that I can try out that prescription as well as try out the contacts themselves. So I'm so excited. I do feel like I can see a little bit better. It's not exactly perfect. I really need to go get my eyes checked again, but these are a little bit better where I can see and I can enjoy them, you know? I went ahead and sent over 2 pairs of these contacts in emerald green. It has it right here and it has the description of what it is. So the diameter is 14.2 mm. The BC is 8.6 mm. So it's actually a big lens. My eyes look really big, so I like that. I'm kind of missing my brown eyes, but I don't mind these. I think these are very cute. And it has the expiration date on it, it has the lot number, and it has the correction for your eye. So I like that. And this is what comes inside those little boxes. I opened it up, so the contacts with the solution is inside here. You just open it up and take them out and then pop them right into the little contact lens case that they also give you. So today I actually went ahead and I bought this. This is the Opti-Free. It's from LANCOME. They say in the instructions, they have very detailed instructions, so I was very excited about that because I have no idea how to use contact lenses at all. So I was very excited. They have precautions, description, important things, and they said that you can use anything from the brand LANCOME. This is recommended to use with these lenses. Sometimes some lenses are a little bit more touchy, you can't really use anything on them, but these are from Opti-Free. I was kind of like freaking out because I was like, damn, what the hell? Like, I don't see LANCOME anywhere. Like, I thought it was a brand name, but it's by the company. So that was interesting. This what I got it from CVS. I think this was $10. This has a small solution thing and then re-wetting drops for if your eyes get dry, which it took me a little while to get these into my eyes. It is very easy if you know how to use contacts. I personally don't know how to use contacts, so it's a little bit difficult for me. But after I got them in, they fit well. They're very comfortable. I do not feel like I have anything in my eyes, which is so weird because like I always had this impression that like you could feel contacts in your eyes, but you really don't feel anything. I think the only like weird thing is like when I look at myself, I'm like, wow, my eyeballs are huge. So that's just like one thing about it, but other than that, it's so comfortable and I really like that. They're not expensive either. I believe these ones are $59. I think they are on sale for $39, so that's not bad at all. The tips I do have: make sure you wash your hands properly before touching anything. Get them in your palm first and then take them onto your tip of your finger. And for me, what I found helped a lot was when I was applying it, not just going like that, but like tilting my head back and just kind of like dropping it down into my eye. I found that helped a lot. Be really careful with the lenses to make sure you're not like scratching them. Don't pick them up with your nails. Just, you know, clean them out. And if you are wearing makeup and you take your lenses off, go ahead and make sure you clean out the water. Don't put them in dirty solution. When it's time to take the lenses out, you want to put a little bit of solution in your hand and then take the lenses out, put them in there, and then put a little bit more solution on it and just kind of rub it a little bit just to get off any residue or anything like that. And then pick it up and put it into the clean solution. And then, you know, you can leave that in there overnight and then, you know, in the morning do your thing. But I really like these a lot. I think these are so fun. They're so cool. I like that I can actually see now. Like when I'm driving and stuff, like I can actually see. I really do need glasses. It's a problem. So then they also went ahead and sent me 2 other products of theirs. They sent me their Perfecting Brow Brush, which is a brush and a brow product at the same time, and then their Defining Eyeliner. I am wearing the eyeliner today, and I can tell you I adore it. I put it on my hand and it stayed on for so freaking long. I loved it. It is a felt tip, so it's very easy to use and very easy to apply and keep on, and it's jet black. You can do a big line, you can do a thinner line, you can do anything you want. I like the fact that this staying power is crazy on this. Like I just put it on and it's already like on there. It's not going anywhere, so I like that. And I like that it's very easy to apply as well. The brow brush and like product I think is amazing. It's a triangle shape. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you get quite a lot of products in here. I like that. It easily rolls up, easily rolls down. You don't need a lot of this product because it's so thick. With one swipe just kind of like gets everything, and I love that. And you have the little spoolie at the end to just brush out the brows, which I think is awesome. I love products that have this because then I don't have to go search for my actual spoolie. So I'm excited. This color is a dark brown color. I'm actually not exactly sure if they have different colors in the brow product. I'm almost positive they do though. This doesn't say universal or anything like that. So I'm sure they have other ones. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review and me talking about these products and bringing these to you guys. If you guys do pick it up, let me know, and you know, tell me some tips and tricks you guys have if you are contact wearers, because I'm such a noob at this. I need help. I need as much help as I can. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, follow me on all of my socials, and I will talk to you guys in another video. See you later.